In this video, we will discuss how to convert scientific notation to decimal. So there are two rules to memorize. So the first one is a negative exponent. So negative exponent. So that, let's say like 10 to the negative 3. So that is making the mantissa smaller. Making the mantissa smaller means you move the decimal point to the left. And then the other one is a positive exponent. For example, 10 to the 8th power, so that means you are taking a mantissa multiplied to a large value, so that is making the mantissa bigger, the value bigger. That means you have to move the decimal point to the right. Let's start with part A. So in part A, I have 2.5 times 10 to the negative 3. So this is a negative exponent. So that means we have to move the decimal point to the left. The scratch word is this. I prepare a few zeros and then 2.5, right? 3 steps. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step right there. So that is equals to 0.0025. Okay, and then B, we have 3.27 times 10 to the negative 4, making the mantissa smaller. So prepare a few zero, 3.24, 27, 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 0.000327. And then C is 5.98 times 10 to the negative 6. So making the mantissa smaller. Prepare the zeros first. And then 598, here is the decimal point, 6 step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 0.50598. And then D, we have 7.3245 times 10 to the negative 9. So that is a negative exponent, making the mantissa smaller. So let's prepare the zeros. 73245. So let's start the move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 0 point, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 0. 7, 3, 2, 4, 5. All right, so that is part D. And then we have a part E. Part E is 8.0204 times 10 to the negative 12, negative exponent, making the mantissa smaller. So let's prepare many zeros. This time we need a few more. 80204. So let's start the move right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we start right there. So that is 0 point, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 0. So that is 11, 0, and then 80204. Okay, and then that is E, and then we have part F. Part F is positive exponent. Let's switch color for that. Positive exponent is 3.86. 3.86 times 10 to the 5th power. So positive exponent is making the mantissa bigger. So 3.86. This time I prepare zeros on the right because you are trying to move the decimal point to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 386 followed by 3 zeros. And then you can use a comma to separate every 3 digits, but that is optional. And then G, we have 9.72 times 10 to the 8th power. So that is positive exponent, making the mantissa bigger. 972. Let's prepare the zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We start right there. So that is equals to 972 followed by 6 zeros, right? And then we draw a comma to separate every 3 digits. And then the last one is H. 6.095 times 10 to the 10. So that is making the mantissa bigger because the exponent is positive. So 6095. Let's prepare a few zeros. All right. Starting right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right there. So that is 6095 followed by 70. Okay, comma, comma, and a comma. All right, so that is all in this video. In the next video, I will show you how to convert from a decimal to a scientific notation. If you think this instruction is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate your help really much. I see you all in the next one. Signing out.